Welcome to an example in which we're solving an absolute value. Let me bring it down here. Absolute value 3x minus 1 less than 7. How do we do this? Well, let me encourage you to go to the notes. Here it is. Here I have got for you the exam 1 notes. Exam 1 notes, which are on the they're at the very top of the module of the Unit 1 module. So how do we do it? So basically, I'm showing you here absolute value less than, absolute value greater than. So they're different. See, this one's less and this one's greater. Okay, so they're handled a little bit differently, and so we're doing this side. We're doing absolute value less on this particular problem. So what do we do? First off, you get the absolute value piece alone. Then it breaks into a three-parter, and then you solve for x. Okay. So let's do it. Let's get it alone. Well, it already is alone. So step 1, get absolute values alone. Meaning, like, you know, if there was a number out here or a +4 there, you know, we'd have to get rid of that stuff. But we don't have anything on this one. It already is alone. So done. It already is alone. Okay, so step 2. Step 2. Notice, breaks into a compound three-parter. See this three-part thing? It breaks into a three-parter. So you take the number that's on the right side and you throw it on the left side as negative, and you take this symbol and you put it there as well, and you remove the absolute values. See how there's no more absolute values? All right, so let's do that. So I'm going to put a -7 over here, put the symbol there, 3x minus 1, and a +7 there. Does that make sense? So this just comes here, this goes negative over there, and there's, let's say, you remove the absolute values, and you break into 3 parts. Right? So we did that. That's right there. Okay, now step 3 is solve for x. Solve for x. So how do we do it? Well, this is, put these lines in to help. It's 3 parts. So then we just do whatever it takes to get x alone. So just focus kind of in the middle right here. Just look right here. What do you got to do to get x alone? Add 1, right? Add 1 to all 3 of them. Boom, boom. What do we got? 3x. Okay, and this is -6, and this is 8. And then divide by 3. And boom. 8/3, -2. Okay, so there we go. Now they want this one interval notation answer, so that's easy. That's just parenthesis. In fact, here, let me just, yeah, over here. -2 parenthesis 8/3. Those are parentheses, not brackets, right? Because if there was an equals bars, then you'd do brackets because that would be straight on the numbers. But we have parentheses because we're around the -2. We're not equal to the -2, right? It's not equal to the -2 or equal to the 8/3. We're just around them, so parentheses. So there's our answer, just like that. There's the whole problem. There we go.